Hello my friends and welcome back. In this section we're going to learn about Android Dependency Injection. It's a very interesting and advanced topic, so I want from you to focus with me. In modern Android development, Dependency Injection (DI) is a design pattern that simplifies the management of dependencies between different components of an application. At its core, dependency injection is about decoupling object creation from object usage. Instead of a class creating its own dependencies, these dependencies are provided from an external source. It's a very important note here. Dependency injection is about decoupling object creation from object usage. Why we use dependency injection? Loose coupling. Classes are less dependent on each other, making them easier to change or replace. Improved testability. Dependencies can be easily mocked or swapped during unit testing. Scalability. Managing complex dependencies in large projects become easier. Readability. Code becomes cleaner and easier to understand. Now let's deep dive into dependency injection. Let's take a simple analogy to understand what is dependency injection. Imagine you are at a restaurant. Without dependency injection, the chef also grows the vegetables, raises the livestock, and cooks the meal. Too many responsibilities. If we use dependency injection, the chef receives ingredients from suppliers and focuses only on cooking. Let's take another example in coding. So in software terms, without dependency injection, class creates its own dependencies. With dependency injection, dependencies are provided externally and the class focuses on its main responsibility. In short, dependency injection is the key to writing clean, modular, and testable code in Android development. In simple terms, dependency injection is about handing over the required dependencies to a component, rather than the component creating or finding them on its own. Dependency injection in Android is a design pattern and technique used to manage and provide dependencies to various components of an Android application. It's a way to implement an inversion of control, where responsibility of creating and providing dependencies is shifted from the components themselves to an external entity. This is a quick introduction to dependency injection. So I want from you to understand that dependency injection is about separating, decoupling object creation from object usage. Instead of a class creating its own dependencies, these dependencies are provided from an external source.